Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to pay with PayPal on H&M. So do you want to breeze out to check out the PayPal on the H&M app? I'm going to walk you through how to link and use PayPal for a seamless shopping experience. The first thing that you like to do is to launch the H&M app on your smartphone. If you haven't installed it yet, just head over to App Store or Google Play Store, search for H&M and tap install. Once installed, open the app. Tap sign in if it's your first, if you have an existing account, and tap sign up to create a new account. Now browse through the app and add your desired items to the shopping bag. I've already added an item. I'm just going to go straight to my cart. So now that I am here, the next thing that you do is to just follow the prompt, click on continue to checkout, and just keep on following the prompt. Enter your details. Also enter your details. I don't want to fill out all of these details because of restrictions that I have. But once you do that, it's going to take you to the final checkout page to begin to add your payment details. Now on the payment page, you're going to see various payment options. Now tap on PayPal to choose it as your payment method. And once you tap on PayPal, you'll be redirected to the PayPal login page. All you need to do from there is to enter your PayPal credentials to log in securely. After logging in, review your payment details and tap confirm to authorize the transaction. Once your payment is processed, you'll be redirected back to the H&M app where you see a confirmation of your order. And that's it. You have successfully paid with PayPal on the H&M app. All right, and that's just pretty much it. So ensure that you have a PayPal account already, because if you don't have a PayPal account, then you have to create one. Ensure that you have a PayPal account and you have funds in there so you can pay with PayPal. If not, all the things that you go through just be null and void. All right, so that's it. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.